Hello friends, welcome to RK's Kitchen. Today we are going to see how to make this delicious and yummy capsicum masala rice or bell pepper rice. Subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell icon for instant videos. In a pan with medium heat, add 1/4 cup of peanuts or verkadalai. Just spread it for even roasting. Now add 4 red chilies or varamalagai. You can increase or decrease the count according to your spice level. Fry till the peanut starts to brown. Now add a handful of coriander seeds or dhania, 1 tablespoon channa dal or kadalai paruppu. Fry till the lentils changes color. Add sesame seeds or ellu 1 teaspoon if desired. Switch off the flame and keep it aside and cool it down. Add desiccated coconut or koppari thengai and grind it into coarse powder. Our masala is ready. In the same pan, add 2 to 3 teaspoons of oil. When oil is hot, add 1 teaspoon mustard seeds or kadugu, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds or siragam, 1 teaspoon urad dal or ulundu, few curry leaves or karvepillai. Now mix it well and cook until the lentils are roasted evenly. Add 1 chopped onion lengthwise. I used 1 large onion, or you can use 2 medium size onion. Give it a mix. Now add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Here I have used freshly grated ginger and garlic. Salt it well until onion turns translucent. You no need to brown the onions, just cook it until it is soft and glossy. Now add chopped capsicum or bell pepper. Here I am using colorful peppers. It looks so colorful. Add some salt to taste for the vegetables. Add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder or manjal tool. Add half a teaspoon of chili powder or milagai tool. This is optional. You can even add 1 teaspoon garam masala for more flavor. Mix it well and cook until capsicum is soft yet crunchy. About 7 to 8 minutes. Do not overcook the capsicum. It's nicely cooked now. Add cooked rice. You can use any variety of rice. Add a teaspoon of ghee for more flavor. Now add salt needed for the rice. Please note we have already added some salt for the vegetables. the grounded masala powder. Add it little by little. You can add this powder little more or less according to your spice level. You can even store the leftovers of this powder in an airtight box and it can be stored for a month. This rice is very quick and simple to make if you have this masala powder ready. So you can make the masala powder in large batches and you can store it in the airtight container, so it is so quick to make. This looks very yummy and colorful, and the flavor of peanut is very beautiful. Finally, add some chopped cilantro or coriander leaves or kothumali. This gives a very nice flavor. Our colorful and beautiful and yummy capsicum masala rice is ready. This is the best lunchbox recipe. Please do try it and let me know how it turned out for you. Thanks for watching.